Changing your profile picture on Disney Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Open a Disney Plus app or website. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device or visit the Disney Plus website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Once you are on the main screen, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it to access the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Edit Profiles. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Edit Profiles and click on it. This will take you to a screen where you can see all your profiles. Step 4. Choose the profile to edit. Find the profile for which you want to change the picture. Click on the pencil icon or edit button next to that profile to open the editing options. Step 5. Change the profile picture. You will see an option to change the profile picture. Click on it, and you can select a new image from the available options or upload a custom image if the feature is available. Save your changes once you have selected the desired picture. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture on Disney Plus. Enjoy your viewing experience.